What if I told you there's a crypto project that's poised to redefine finance as we know it? Imagine a world where real-world assets like US treasuries and real estate are seamlessly tokenized and traded on the blockchain. That's exactly what ONDO is doing. And it's backed by some of the biggest names in TradFi like BlackRock and PIMCO. This isn't just a crypto project, it's the future of global finance. Stick around and I'll show you why ONDO is my number 3 pick for top coins of 2025. What a knockout. Let's get it.
I'm not a financial advisor.
Welcome to BitBoyX. I'm your host, the BitBoy, and you've landed at the home of the Bit Squad, the highest IQ investors on the planet. Now, if you're here to dominate the crypto market, smash that like button, subscribe to the channel, and hit the notification bell. Just don't get 2 black eyes. Today, we're diving into ONDO and why it's a game changer for crypto investors. It's not just about the potential gains, it's about stability, growth, and bringing real-world assets to the blockchain. Now, as we go through this video, if you guys are ready to trade ONDO, you can trade ONDO and tons of other coins at Phemex, our exclusive exchange partner, and get $30,000 by signing up. Now, before we get into the coin, let's take a quick look back at our top coins of 2025 so far. Number 9, we had Polygon, the leader in Ethereum scaling and home of big money that's going to get multiplied. At number 8, we've got Filecoin, powering decentralized storage. Number 7, BitTensor or Tau, revolutionizing AI with blockchain, building an AI economy. Number 6, ICP, reshaping the internet itself. Number 5, Render, redefining digital creativity. And coming in number 4, another AI project, the AI blockchain, that's right, Near. Now, if you guys want to catch up on any of those videos so you can dominate the market, make sure to click this playlist right above. And also on that playlist is our top coins of 2024 video where we crushed it with massive gains. Nobody beats the Bit Squad when it comes to crypto picks. That is already known in this industry. Now let's talk about ONDO and why it's taking the number 3 spot on this year's list. ONDO is at the forefront of tokenizing real-world assets or RWAs. This isn't just some buzzword, it's the evolution of finance. By bridging TradFi with blockchain, ONDO allows institutions and individuals to invest in tokenized funds for assets like US treasuries and corporate bonds. Think of it as bringing stability and predictability to a market known for its volatility. So here's what makes ONDO truly special. Partnerships, just like Chainlink did back in the day. We've got players like BlackRock and PIMCO involved. You know it's not your average crypto project. These partnerships give ONDO the credibility and resources to scale at a level that few other projects can even dream of. It's one thing to talk about integrating crypto with TradFi, it's another thing to actually do it with institutional backing. And let me remind you, I've been talking about ONDO since it launched in February, long before everyone else started connecting the dots to BlackRock. I saw the potential early on because of how it tackled tokenized assets, and now the world is catching up. The fact that BlackRock is actively involved, well, it only solidifies its position as a top-tier project. If you've been following me, you've had a head start on this one for sure. Now I want to show you guys something exclusive with you. ONDO isn't just another project I've stumbled upon. It's been strongly highlighted by a source whose insights I trust above all others, Mr. X. He's not just a guy, he's the guy, a strategic force so influential that his perspectives shape markets. This year, ONDO was at the very top of the few coins he told me to look at. His insights are subtle and absolute, and with BlackRock and PIMCO already on board, ONDO isn't just a good idea, it's a calculated win. Here's another important point. ONDO has a major token unlock coming in January, and this is a big deal. Historically, token unlocks can create a lot of price action, and with the way ONDO is positioned in this market right now, I expect the price to rip as we head into the peak of the first half of this bull run. That's your cue to pull profits. Remember, the name of the game is taking gains while you can and reallocating into the next big opportunities. But ONDO isn't just about TradFi integration, it's about resilience. This is a project that I expect could thrive even in the bear market. Why? Because ONDO offers exposure to tokenized assets like treasuries, which, tend to perform well even when the rest of the markets are down. And that's why ONDO is a long-term hold for me. It's not just about 2025, it's about building a portfolio that can weather any storm. XRP and ONDO both stand out as projects with the potential to break the norm and grow while non-TradFi altcoins take the usual hits, which is almost all of them. Speaking of crushing things down to zero. So guys, to recap, ONDO is more than a crypto project. It's a bridge to the future of global finance. By tokenizing real-world assets, partnering with TradFi giants, and offering bear market resilience, ONDO is positioned to lead the next wave of blockchain innovation. That's why it's my number 3 pick for 2025. Drop a comment down below and let me know what you think about ONDO. Are you as bullish on its potential as I am? Don't forget to smash that like button, subscribe to the channel, and click this playlist up here to catch up on my other coins and my top 9 coins of 2025. Thanks for watching. Be blessed. BitBoy out.